Hello all, so my name is Carissa Anderson and this is a quick tutorial of the new USG Wellbeing Portal through Virgin Pulse. So since I have already created a username and password, I'm using a demo account, I can go ahead and log in. However, if this is your first time accessing this account, employees, you can access the Wellbeing Portal through OneUSG Connect, manage my benefits, and then you will see a lovely beach picture that will lead you to this site, or you can visit ourwellbeing.usg.edu, and spouses can also use that website again. It's ourwellbeing.usg.edu. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. So from here, once you've logged in, if it's your first time, you will be asked to go through a guided tour. However, since this is not my first time logging in, this is the home page that you will come to. So first things first, we'll start with your daily cards. So cards are always a great starting point when logging into your account. Some are system-generated programs based on how you set your interests that you answered in your health assessment or biometric results. And you will see 2 daily tips each day. So I'm going to flick through these. And this is an example of a daily card. So it's a getting active card. And what you see each day might be different than what your coworker sees because it's all personalized. And by participating in these cards, you can earn $5 per month for completing 20 daily cards. So you'll log into your account, see your daily card, complete the activity, click on Got It, and that counts as one of your daily cards. So next we have healthy habits. So we're going to click here. So like many things in this platform, these are suggested to you based on the interests that you set in your profile. So you can choose to participate in them or select other topic areas. But the idea is that if you focus on completing a task and track if you did it or not each day, it will become a habit, a healthy habit. And you can earn $5 monthly for tracking healthy habits 20 days in a month. And there are numerous categories, and you can also search and add additional ones. So these are just the ones that are currently in this account. However, if you scroll down, you can add more as well. And next, under healthy habits, we have ways to earn. And this is on the home page. It's an easy way for you to see what activities you have completed and what you need to do to earn rewards, but I'll definitely go into that a little later. Next, we have device sync. So here you can see what activity has been tracked via a sync device today. So when enrolling in the program, you do have the opportunity to sync a device, and you can add one at a time. And to do that, from the desktop version, you can click your profile and you'll see devices and apps. However, if you download the app, the Virgin Pulse app, it's an easy way to sync your device because as you're signing in, it will give you options. So if you have a Fitbit, Apple Watch, if you use Samsung Health, Apple Health, there are numerous options in which you can sync it, or if you prefer, you can manually add your steps each day. So now that you know about your steps, there's also ways in which you can personalize this platform. So if you click on the little camera icon here, you can even change your cover photo, or you can add your own cover photo. And you can also, up here at the top right, go to your profile and change your interests. You can also put a profile photo, and you can just tell your friends a little bit more about yourself there. So next we're going to go through these icons at the top. So programs is the first, and we'll click on programs. So here you will see numerous programs and USG resources that are available to you, such as EAP, Money Monday, Wellbeing Wednesday, and many more. And you'll also see programs that were personalized based on your interests and answers from the health assessment. Next, we have challenges. So there are three types of challenges. There are system-wide challenges, personal or peer challenges, and healthy habit challenges. So system-wide challenges are super fun, team-based challenges to encourage more activity throughout the day. Then there are also personal or peer-to-peer challenges in which employees have the ability to create their own challenge, and you can invite friends to participate in those challenges. Some months you will see a promoted healthy habit challenge, and these are like week-long challenges that are super fun as well, and all USG employees can participate at the same time. Next, we have our tracking tab. So I'll just go ahead and click on this. So quickly on this page, you'll just see any activity that has been tracked in the platform. So on the healthy habits page, which is what we have pulled up, you'll see all your healthy habits at once, and you can also turn them on and off, whichever ones you would like to see, and these are only visible to you in your account. And then there's stats and similar information with the nutrition guide and sleep guide. Next, we have friends. So this is a cool space where you can add friends to keep you motivated and obviously beat them, because you'll be able to see who's getting the most steps. And here, groups is also a cool section as well. You can go in and create groups based on maybe similar interests that you have. For example, a group for new mothers, travel lovers, or even chess players. Next, we have the health tab, and I'm going to go ahead and click on journeys. So journeys are self-guided online courses that last anywhere from 10 to 20 days, and you can view what journeys are available based on topics, or you can just look at them all at once. But each day you log into the platform, you will complete a step. And steps are small bits of info that either provide helpful tips about the subject or action steps for you to take that day, and you get one step per journey a day. So let's say you decide to do the Fit as a Family one. It'll give you a little more information about Fit as a Family, and then this just helps you focus on one action at a time, so you don't have to feel overwhelmed with completing goals. And you are also rewarded $25 for completing a whole journey. So if you log in every day and complete your step at the end of the 10 days, you will have earned $25. So lastly, I'm just going to go over the rewards tab. And this is a great screen to clearly see where you're at with achieving healthy activities and unlocking your rewards. And you can actually click on these to see how to complete that task. And if you have completed any on the list here, there will be a green circle with a check mark next to it. So right here, this little circle, there will be a green check mark there. Let's scroll back up. And also at the top here, this is another cool way to see how much you've earned. So as you're earning money, a blue bar will actually fill in here. And let's say you've earned $50, you'll probably be around there on this spectrum. So lastly, we can go back to the home screen. And I also want to point out that there are two green buttons over here, chat and support. So if you ever have any concerns or issues with this platform and you just need help or you have a question, you can definitely click on one of those and a representative will be available to help you. But as you can see, this is a new platform and it's a fun game approach that will help you establish a healthy lifestyle. So you can do healthy things, unlock each level, earn those rewards, and at the end of the day, you'll have $100 in your paycheck. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you for listening.